Welcome back, physics enthusiast. Throughout our initial exploration of the cosmos, we have analyzed light as the ultimate explorer of reality, an unstoppable wave-particle entity capable of traversing billions of light-years across empty space and gently bending around ordinary household objects. But today, we must confront a far more profound and unsettling question that pushes our current scientific understanding to its absolute limit. What happens when light encounters a boundary it cannot penetrate, a threshold where its cosmic journey is forced to a complete, violent halt? Welcome to the dark edges of reality, the specific, extreme environments in the universe where light literally dies. In today's discussion, we will examine the physical mechanisms that absorb it, the gravitational traps that imprison it, and the ultimate scales where physics simply stops working entirely. The very first barrier light encounters is the phenomenon of absolute opacity at the atomic scale. When a photon strikes a perfectly black, absorbing material, it does not reflect off the surface or refract through the medium. Instead, it is utterly destroyed. Niels Bohr's atomic model mechanics demonstrate that electrons inhabit strictly defined, quantized energy states. If the energy of the incoming photon matches the exact gap between these electronic shells, the atom completely absorbs the light, converting it into thermal kinetic energy. We mathematically map this specific quantum transition using the absorption formula written as P of nu equals B sub I k times rho of nu. Spelled out precisely for speech, the transition probability P at frequency nu equals the Einstein coefficient B sub I k multiplied by the radiation energy density rho of frequency nu. While atomic absorption merely converts light into heat, the universe contains far more absolute traps that physically imprison photons without changing their state. When a massive star runs out of nuclear fuel, it collapses under its own immense weight, compressing its mass into an infinitely dense point. This cataclysmic collapse warps the surrounding geometric fabric of space-time so violently that the escape velocity of the object eventually surpasses the speed of light. We calculate this gravitational boundary using the classical escape velocity equation. The escape velocity v sub e equals the square root of 2 multiplied by the gravitational constant g times mass m, divided entirely by the object radius r. The exact moment the radius r of a collapsing star drops below its critical Schwarzschild radius, the escape velocity v sub e becomes mathematically greater than c, the absolute speed limit of causality. This creates an invisible, uncrossable cosmic border, known as the event horizon. Because gravity warps the physical coordinate pathways that light must travel along, a photon crossing this threshold finds that all possible straight paths are warped backward, pointing directly toward the central singularity. The light cannot climb out because space itself is falling inward faster than the speed of light. At this absolute boundary, light is not converted into heat or scattered into a new direction. It is completely isolated from our observable universe, trapped forever in a dark abyss from which no information can ever escape. Beyond the gravitational event horizons of black holes lies the ultimate mathematical barrier of our universe, a physical wall where the very concepts of space, time, and light completely dissolve. This is the Planck scale, the absolute pixel size of our cosmic simulation. We calculate this fundamental limit of reality using the historic Planck length equation, which is the Planck length L sub p equals the cosmic square root of Dirac's constant h bar multiplied directly by the gravitational constant g, divided by the constant speed of light c cubed. This equation combines quantum mechanics, gravity, and relativity into a single, unyielding physical limit. At this unbelievably microscopic scale of 10 to the minus 35 meters, our traditional mathematical descriptions of light waves completely break down. If you attempt to compress a photon's wavelength down to this tiny size, the energy of the wave becomes so unimaginably dense that it creates a microscopic black hole, swallowing the very space it occupies. The smooth fabric of space-time fractures into a chaotic, boiling sea of quantum foam. Because space is no longer continuous, a wave cannot propagate, a particle cannot have a position, and light can no longer travel. The Planck scale forms a hard mathematical wall that our current physics cannot pierce, revealing that our understanding of reality is fundamentally incomplete at the quantum floor. There is one final, slow boundary where light stops, operating not at the scale of massive black holes or microscopic quantum foam, but across the vast expanse of time itself. As our universe continues to expand, it stretches the wavelengths of all traveling photons, a process known as cosmological redshift. Billions of years from now, in the deepest phases of cosmic evolution, the universe will enter a state called the heat death. Galaxies will drift apart, stars will burn through their remaining fuel, and all light waves will be stretched out so completely that their frequency drops toward absolute zero. The energy of every photon will dissipate into nothingness, leaving a universe of infinite flatness where light can no longer vibrate, bringing a cold, silent end to the epoch of electromagnetic energy. By mapping these extreme physical thresholds, we discover that light is not an infinite, all-powerful entity. It is a structured cosmic tool bounded strictly by the rules of quantum mechanics and general relativity. When light hits these boundaries, it acts as a diagnostic probe, pointing directly toward the deep cracks in our current scientific theories. The fact that our math breaks down at the event horizon and the Planck scale tells us that a grander, unified theory of quantum gravity is waiting to be discovered. The places where light stops are not just dead ends. They are the ultimate guideposts directing us toward the next great revolution in physics, showing us exactly where the old rules fail so we can build new ones. We have journeyed to the absolute edge of reality and witnessed the terrifying boundaries where light is snuffed out, space dissolves, and our math collapses completely. This concludes the foundational first phase of our massive 20-part epic documentary series. Now that we have defined the ghost, traced its atomic birth, and mapped its ultimate limits, we must step back into the past to see how humanity first tried to conquer this cosmic mystery. In our next episode, we begin our deep dive into the classical reign of physics, exploring the speed of shadows and the elegant geometry of early optics. Hit that subscribe button right now, turn on your notifications, and prepare your mind because we are about to see how light first built modern science.